It's Tuesday, November 4. In the headlines, government launches National Volunteer Registry and recovery concerts to aid hurricane relief. Psychologists deployed to support educators affected by Hurricane Melissa. Death toll from Hurricane Melissa in Jamaica rises to 32. In business news, the Small Business Association to assess businesses affected by Hurricane Melissa. Regionally, in Barbados, leaders are discussing the need for climate-resilient infrastructure. And in sports, Guyana's President Dr. Ifran Ali promises major investment for a 2026 motor racing event. This is the news on PBC Jamaica. I'm Simone Absalom Gale. For the full newscast, head over to our YouTube and Facebook